chefe also Kufumbar.
Yes, yes, as well. Actually, from the rooftop terrace, you have 360 degrees view
Ah,
of the
360.
city. 360.
Yeah, so it's like fun.
There's the rooftop terrace here, but they are today doing some renovation
So nobody will see.
because the service of it is from April to end of October, beginning of November. Now we haven't got service in place for the winter season because usually it's windy, sometimes it can rain, so it's not nice for the clients to have lunch with dinner here, and then in the end they need to because the days is not nice like today.
It's fine.
So
Just 1 second.
but then the rest of the year is very nice here. And we do the yoga lessons as well.
Ah, so there you go.
Which is very nice because it's very
Ah,
que Gaudi House, Casa Batlló.
that's good.
And then you have Tibidabo Mountain there, so up to the mountain and then follow the water. Be careful with the
So 360 is that.
Es que no me coge de recepción ni María, no sé si está reunida, está en una cosa. Ah, vale. ¿Me podéis decir en la Mandarin para enseñar? Ahora no sé si está alguna limpia o algo, por fin. Yo te dejo. Sorry, you were telling me, you were asking me something, or?
No, 360.
360?
No, I can't.
Ah, no. but it's, the view is 360.
Ah.
No, that you can walk 360.